Welcome back to my channel. So yes, I have wet hair still. I just filmed a Get Ready With Me. I'm not sure when that will go up, but I wanted to film the new The Box by Fashionista. I received mine actually on Saturday, February 1st. Today is February 4th, and I want to try and hurry and get this up since it is the January box. But first, let's go through last month's products. So let me get it opened. And this. Okay, so first thing we got was this 1520 mask. I did use this mask. I did use it. It's the anti-aging mask. It was good. Again, I don't really spend my money on sheet masks. Don't really care for them, but I will use them if I receive them. Like I said, I used this. It was good. This retails for $7, so I don't know if I would pay $7 for one of these. Mostly because I don't buy the sheet masks. But I don't know if $7 seems kind of expensive for one mask. But it did feel nice. Alright, we also received, and I just dropped the package because it's just this little wrapper to remind me. I used the CBD Bath Bomb by Fresh Bombs. Fresh Bomb. Am I saying that? It sounds funny. I used it. I actually really liked it. It turned the water a nice blue color. The smell was nice. My husband thought it looked funny. I don't know. I'm not a big bath bomb user either, but I would love to get into them. I just don't ever buy them, but I really actually enjoyed this one. So for $12, is that for one bath bomb? Because that seems, I would not pay $12 for one. But I did think it was good and nice and fun. Alright, the next thing that we received was this Iby Beauty Glow Getter Highlighting Palette. I did use this. I didn't put this in any of my Get Ready With Me, not Get Ready With Me, well that, but my weekly makeup basket. I did take a big dip out of that one. I'm not sure why I didn't. I think I tried a couple of these colors. I think this one and this one. So the light whitish one and the light pink one. And they were nice. I mean, they're very pretty. They're powder, but they do kind of have a cream. Doesn't say anything about cream, but they're very silky. So I would say they do feel kind of creamy, but I don't know. I'm confused now because it doesn't say it. And I'm going to check and see if I can use these on my eyes because I do think these are very beautiful, that they might look really pretty as a shimmer on the lid or something. I want to play with it still a little bit more. I liked it. If I just don't, I probably will pass it to my daughters. They will probably love it. But I will say it costs $45. I don't think I would pay that, but I am glad to own it, glad I have it. I do really like those two light colors. They were really pretty. I remember really enjoying them. Alright, the next thing that we got is from Teami. It is the Smooth Tea Infused Oil, Lavender, and Sage. I love this. I used it for about a week and a half at night. I just liked the smell of it. I mean, it kind of doesn't have a smell, so, but I remember I like the smell of it, so I don't know. I think it has blue tansy oil in it. It's blue. Let me see. Yes, it does. I really liked it. This retails for $40. Would I spend $40? I like this better than the pink vitamin C serum that we received a couple months ago. I wouldn't rebuy that. This, I might rebuy it because I think this will last me a long time. So we'll have to see. I really did like this. This was probably my favorite product in December's box. Alright, the next product that we got was by Crescent Moon. This is, I am so sorry. I'm giving you guys the wrong prices. Hopefully I had them posted down below. This is only $15, which I sure would pay 15 bucks to try out a highlighting palette. That actually totally changes my opinion. I was thinking it was $45, and for $45 I definitely wouldn't pay for that, but 15 I so would do that. It was good for that amount, for that cost. I think that was good. This is $45. This is the Crescent Moon eyeshadow quad. I don't know why I can't read. To be honest, I only used one color in this, which is this pink shade color. Absolutely gorgeous. You actually can't even tell I used it. I only used it once, but I did swatch them all. I liked this. I think I might be passing this just to my daughters, only because these are not colors that I would wear. Me specifically. I thought they lasted really well. The glitter was absolutely gorgeous. I just don't see myself pulling for it, being that I don't wear really 3 of the 4 colors, at least very often, like maybe once a year, if that. So I think my daughters would have more fun playing with this. Being that it's 45 bucks, I think that is way too much for a product that, or brand that I've never heard of. I don't know. And I know because I don't hear of it doesn't mean anything. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this was worth 45 bucks? I don't know. All right, and then the last thing, yes, this is the last thing, is the Naturally Vain Rosy Cheeks Facial Scrub. Retails for $12. I actually really did like this. It's kind of a, well, face scrub, obviously. Why won't it focus? I did take out a few dips of it, as you can see. I think I used it probably 5 times. And I really enjoyed it. I like the smell. It has a very nice, fresh smell. Doesn't smell like cleaners, which is what I always think of when someone says fresh. But it has just a really good smell to it. And I liked it. I'll definitely use it. Would I pay 12 bucks for it? I absolutely would. I don't know if this is full size, but even if it is, I feel like you're not scrubbing your face or exfoliating your face every day. So this still can last you at least a few months if you did it once a week. I don't know how long it will last, being that it's a fresh product. I believe it's mixed as ordered or something to that effect. I don't know. But I liked it. I really like that. Between that and the Teami products, those are probably my 2 favorite things of last month. I did like the bath bomb and the face mask. I think the prices I don't know would pay. The palettes were not my favorite palettes that I have received from this box before, but they weren't bad. So they'll definitely get some use around here. Let's open up this next month's box and see what we got. All right, I'll tell you right off the bat that I received the Fig & Farrow Apothecary Orange Blossom Lavender Complexion Water. So I had a product break in my November box. They were going to, I don't know if this was the exact one. They said they would send me something similar. So I don't know if this is similar or I just can't remember. But it is a complexion face product, which I love these. This smells so good. I was supposed to get it in my December box. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like orange and lavender. I love it. But not lavender, like someone who hates lavender would love this. It does not smell too strong like lavender. Anyways, I got this to replace that broken product in my November box. So they put this in this box and I am very happy to have that and glad that I finally received that. All right, let's just jump in. I don't think they do a theme. They don't do a theme. So let's do this product. This is by Luna and it is a lip oil. Retails for $18. I think that sounds about right. I don't know of this brand, so I'm not sure, but it says Eternal, I think is the color that I got. I've seen some get blue packaging. Obviously, mine is a little bit more pink, or not the packaging, but the actual gloss is a bluer gloss. So I'm excited to try this. I think it looks really nice. Let's just put it on. Ooh, it's kind of goopy when it comes out. Ooh, it's, can you guys see? It's spilling out everywhere. I don't know what happened. Well, that's probably me on a user error. Crap, where can I put this? I'm gonna close it so not more comes out, but now I have goop everywhere. Anyways, I think it feels nice. I like that. I don't like how it kind of gooped out. That was kind of weird, but 18 bucks. I think it feels good. It feels a lot like the Clarins lip oil, which I do love too. The next product is from Bang. It is a lip crown. This is in the color Kiss Me, which I saw is pink, and I'm so excited because I always get red or brown or orange, and I so can wear this color, and this is probably a color that I can wear often and enjoy. So I am very excited to try this out. This retails for $18, if I can't remember if I said that or not. So both lip products are on the higher end, I think, which is nice. The next product in my bag or box is the KO Lion. I don't know how to say that. Pore Original, I think it's a face mask. It's a double face mask. See, how would you say that word? I'm obviously not a good pronunciator. Retails for $16. It's a duo steam and pore mask. Looks like it's in Korean, so I'm thinking it might be a Korean product. But yeah, it looks like a charcoal mask on top and a tightening, pore tightening mask on the bottom. So that is really neat. Again, I love masks. Between me and my kids, we use them. All right, the next product in my box is from Lactic. This is a precise marker liner, $20. I actually have already swatched this. It's very black. It didn't come off as far as rubbing it. I did have to get it wet, which is nice. It reminded me of the Kat Von D tattoo liner with the felt tip. So I'm excited to have this and try it out. We'll see how that works. And then the next product, I can't read this. It's like white. What is it? CLE, I don't know. Multi-cream retails for $32. Is it okay, it can be used all over your face, body, and hair. I wonder, is it a cream or is it like an oil? Let's see if it's open. It's not open. I'm not going to open it. I'm really interested to try this. How I don't know, something that you can use on your whole face, body, and hair, but we'll have to try that out. 32 bucks for that. The next product in my box is by Lucy, I believe, is that how you would say it? 4-in-1 Radiant Face Gel, Mask, Highlighter, Moisturizer, and Treatment. So when I first saw this, I was really confused because of a mask, but a highlighter, I don't know, that seemed weird. So I have already opened this and swatched it, and it's really interesting. So it's in a little pot. Mine is kind of a dark color, so when I saw it, I was like, oh, that looks like a mask. It's kind of a gray. Okay. And then I swatched it. I took out a little. Hopefully you guys can see this. And I put it on my hand. Can you guys see that? I need a little bit more. Can you see that shine? For a highlighter, like a wet highlighter. It doesn't really have a smell. It does feel really hydrating and nice. I am so curious to use this as a highlighter. I think that will be really neat to, I don't know. Retails for 15 bucks. I guess you can use it as a mask for 20 minutes, and then I don't know if I'd use it as a mask. I feel like it would take up the whole jar. I'm gonna try it as a highlighter, see where it goes. If I don't like it as that, maybe as a facial moisturizer or something. But so neat. Like, these are just so unique products that you can use on like multiple parts of your body, which I think is, or multiple things, which is really cool. And then the last the last product is from Iby Beauty City Limits palette. I have already opened this. I wanted to make sure it wasn't broken. Not that I've seen anybody get broken ones. I just am always paranoid my palettes will arrive broken, so I like to check them usually pretty quickly. This palette looks very pretty. I have not tried, have I tried Iby White shadows? I don't even know if I've tried shadows from them. I can't think about it. I can't remember. But this retails for $20, which is definitely a good price. 12 shadows, buttery, blendable, infused with rose hip seed oil, which I love rose hip seed oil. Let's swatch a couple of these. We'll do a couple shimmers and a couple mattes. Let's see, we got, where can I do these? There's that matte, that shimmer, and that shimmer. Really pretty. I mean, actually they're really, really pretty. You can't see the first one I did. It's totally my skin color. But these other three are really gorgeous. I'm excited to try these out. I think this might be a good palette. It looks like it's a very neutral palette, but a couple little pops of color up here. I think my daughter already told me she wanted this, but I definitely want to try it out first before I pass anything to her. Anyways, that retailed for $20 if I did not say. This was a great box. The total retail value of the box is $139. I don't know what last month's was. It doesn't say it on. This one says what it is. This one doesn't, so I don't know. But really nice box. I'm glad to receive these products. I like the uniqueness of a lot of these products. I mean, the makeup is always nice. I love those, but I more enjoy getting unique skincare items. I'm really excited to have this facial spray. I love masks. I do feel like we got more products than normal. Did we get more products? Let me see. Last month we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. It's only one more than last month. So maybe we didn't get more or whatever. But I am so excited. I think this month is absolutely great. Let me know if you get this box, what you think. Are you interested in getting this box? It's $25, I believe, now per month. So not bad for the amount of products you get to try. I think it's great. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.